The word guru evokes a sense of reverence. It speaks of someone who illuminates the path, dispelling darkness with wisdom and compassion. A guru is more than just a teacher. They are a beacon, guiding us through life's intricate maze. They help us navigate the complexities of our inner world and the outer world. In the tapestry of life, we encounter numerous individuals. Some leave an imprint on our souls, shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. These are our gurus, our mentors, our guiding lights. They appear in various forms: a parent, a teacher, a friend, or even a stranger. The presence of a guru in our lives is a blessing. They see our potential even when we doubt ourselves. They believe in us when we falter, encouraging us to rise above our limitations. Their unwavering faith in our abilities ignites a spark within us, propelling us towards our highest good. A guru's wisdom is a treasure trove of knowledge. It comes from their own experiences, their observations, and their deep understanding of life's universal truths. They share this wisdom generously, not through lectures or sermons, but through stories, anecdotes, and their own example. They teach us to look inward, to connect with our intuition. They help us understand the power of our thoughts and beliefs. They guide us to align our actions with our values, leading a life of purpose and authenticity. Their wisdom is not about imposing their beliefs on us. It is about empowering us to discover our own truth. They encourage us to question, to explore, and to find our own unique path. Beyond wisdom and knowledge, a true guru offers something even more profound: unconditional friendship and support. They create a safe space for us to be vulnerable, to share our fears, doubts, and insecurities without judgment. They listen with empathy, offering a shoulder to cry on and a heart that understands. Their presence is a source of comfort and strength, reminding us that we are not alone in our struggles. Their support is unwavering, even when we make mistakes. They see our missteps as opportunities for growth and learning. With gentle guidance, they help us navigate through challenges, emerging stronger and wiser on the other side. Section 4. Constructive criticism. A guru's love is not blind. They see our flaws and shortcomings, but they also see our potential for growth. Their criticism stems from a place of love and a desire to see us blossom into our best selves. They don't shy away from pointing out our blind spots, challenging our limiting beliefs, and pushing us beyond our comfort zones. Their constructive criticism, though sometimes difficult to hear, is a catalyst for transformation. They help us develop self-awareness, identify areas for improvement, and strive for excellence in all that we do. Their feedback is invaluable, guiding us towards a path of continuous learning and growth. Section 5. A call to gratitude. Take a moment to reflect on the gurus in your own life. Think of those who have inspired you, guided you, and helped you become the person you are today. Acknowledge their presence in your life and the profound impact they have had on your journey. Express your gratitude, not just through words, but through your actions. Emulate their qualities, live by their teachings, and strive to make them proud. Remember, the greatest tribute we can pay to our gurus is by living a life filled with purpose, compassion, and wisdom. Let their teachings be our guiding light, illuminating our path and inspiring us to make a positive difference in the world. Section 6. Embrace the transformation. The journey with a guru is transformative. It is a process of self-discovery, growth, and evolution. It is about shedding old patterns, embracing new perspectives, and stepping into the fullness of our being. Embrace the lessons, the challenges, and the triumphs that come with this journey. Allow yourself to be guided, to be transformed, and to become the best version of yourself. Remember, the wisdom and guidance of a guru are always available to us, even when they are no longer physically present. Their teachings live on within us, guiding our thoughts, actions, and ultimately our destiny.